Gujarat has won the toss and they have decided to bowl first.
हार्विक है, चिराग है, पुजारा, बहुत बड़े नाम, शेल्डन जैक्सन जिसने बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट किया. बस
Scored an average of 36.01. He scored in excess of 3,000 runs. A lot of experience. And his partner will be Chirag Jani, 35 years of age, lot of experience. Chintan Gaja, it is, who will be starting the proceedings here at the Niranjan Shah Stadium. Bit of movement in the air and off the seam. What do you make of this, Pragnan Oja? Nicely played into the gap, and that'll be the first boundary of the innings. Nicely played away by Chirag. He's off the mark with a confident shot. That's the first boundary for him. Nicely driven down the ground. That'll be a boundary. The second boundary for Chirag Jani here. Going at it was Harvik Desai, and he gets it over the fielders. Another boundary for Harvik Desai. Width offered and put away nicely by Harvik Desai. That's a poor delivery from Nagoswala.
अभी हम हर समय ये बात करते हैं, रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, रन जाएंगे.
Look at that, half tracker. At this pace, you can't bowl this kind of a ball.
Edge, and this time taken. This side dismissed for 22. Saurashtra lose their first wicket at 45. Average of 52.01 for Pujara in first class. Edge, and that's a chance created by the left-arm seamer, not completed. And the edge fetches Pujara a boundary. He gets off the mark.
ये बहुत ही महंगा पड़ने वाला है.
Driven down the ground, fuller length delivery, and Pujara doesn't miss those. Straying onto the pads, that's played away fine for a boundary. Straying onto the pads, that's nicely tucked away Pujara for a boundary. That's hammered away through the offside, short in length, begging to be hit.
ये देखिए, हल्की सी गेंद छोटी हुई और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको टाइम किया पुजारा ने और चौका जड़ दिया.
Beautifully played off his legs. No chance. Look at that. They're dealing in boundaries.
अच्छी गेंद, भारी किनारा लगा, कैरी नहीं हुआ, लेकिन चौका मिलेगा यहाँ पे पुजारा को.
Nicely played off the back foot. Another boundary.
Bowling side as well, but no, that was he was greeted with a 6 for the first ball.
ऑन साइड में खेलने की कोशिश चेतेश्वर पुजारा ने.
Cheteshwar Pujara goes for 26 of 38 balls and Saurashtra 95 for 2.
शेल्डन जैक्सन 173 में इनिंग, 7,242 रन, 46 का औसत.
Straying down the leg stump again, and that one is flicked for a 4.
बाहरी किनारा, रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर.
A good shot by Chirag Jani again. Bowl a little short, Priyajit Singh. Giving a lot of room today, Priyajit Singh. Trying to get his line and length right. And that's a 50 for Chirag Jani, 50 of 92 balls.
पूरा योगदान देते अपनी टीम को, और आज ओपन का फैसला किया. दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी, ये गिफ्ट है किसी भी बल्लेबाज के लिए. हल्के हाथों से खेला. एक रन वहां पर मिलता हुआ शेल्डन जैक्सन को. और समय हो गया लंच का. पहले दिन का लंच का समय, और लंच के समय 115, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर सौराष्ट्र.
चिराग जानी जितनी भी करीब की जाए, 55 रनों की पारी, 1 छक्के और 10 चौकों की मदद, और उनका साथ बखूबी साथ निभाते हुए शेल्डन जैक एक और दिग्गज पर.
Jaymeet Patel will start the proceedings after lunch. Prefer to bowl from round the wicket to the right-handers.
He's one of the, and that is a very Good wicket. I think that was given leg before. Sheldon Jackson is a little surprised there. We were just talking about Siddharth Desai, and Sheldon has asked for a DRS. He referred to the third umpire.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, original decision is out. Anil, stay with your decision of out. We'll let you know when you're on screen. You're on screen, signal out.
बहुत बड़ी सफलता यहाँ पे मिली है गुजरात को। शेल्डन जैक्सन वापस जाएंगे 14 रन बनाकर। सौराष्ट्र 127 पे 3। अर्पित वसावड़ा है बल्लेबाजी करने, इनके पास भी अनुभव बहुत है।
That is a good looking shot, straight down the leg stump. And that was a kind of a fumble there, misfielding. Almost got the ball, slipped away, and because of that force, went for a 4.
Playing a miss, has he nicked it? Yes, that's the end of Chirag Jani.
चौथी विकेट का पतन सौराष्ट्र के लिए चिराग जानी के रूप में। 69 उन्होंने बनाए, 148 गेंदों का सामना किया, 139 पर 4 सौराष्ट्र।
Prerak Makhad is the new batter, walking out to replace Chirag Jani.
लाजवाब गेंद, ये सफलता मिली।
Out without troubling the scorer. 140 for 5 सौराष्ट्र।
समर गजर आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने। 3 इनिंग्स 21, 150 है इनके नाम।
Beautifully driven. Oh, it was misfielded for 4. Oh, nicely played. Oh, played very late. Past third man for 4. Back-to-back boundaries. 2 boundaries to Vasavada's name. Oh, another wicket goes. Saurashtra 148 for 6.
धर्मेंद्र सिंह जडेजा 128 इनिंग्स, 2008 रन, 7 अर्धशतक।
Yes, that's nicely, but he's ready for it. He's a competent batter. He's no mark with the bat. Dharmendra Singh Jadeja has got a... And with this ball, it's tea time. First session, 32 overs, 115 runs and 2 wickets. Second session, 24 overs and only 36 runs have been conceded. And they picked up 4 wickets.
And we are coming back post-tea session, and Vasavada takes strike. And with him, with Arpit, is Dharmendra Singh Jadeja. Jaymeet continuing from the commentator's box end, who's already bowled 12 overs and taken 2 wickets. Very impressive bowling that by Jaymeet.
छेड़खानी बाहर की गेंद पर धर्मेंद्र सिंह जडेजा द्वारा। भाग्य ने साथ दिया, बाहरी किनारा लगा और स्लिप्स के ऊपर से ये बाउंड्री आती हुई। बेहतरीन शॉट, बहुत ऊपर डाला, सीधे बल्ले से। एक और भाग्य साथ देता हुआ।
That is a very rare over pitch delivery which Nagasala gives sometimes when he's trying to swing the ball a little bit more.
और तीसरा स्तंभ और इसी के साथ 7वें विकेट का पतन। धर्मेंद्र सिंह जडेजा जो अभी तक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे, बल्लेबाजी के लिए आए हैं। जैसे ही धर्मेंद्र सिंह जडेजा आउट हुए, जयदेव उनादकर 8 अर्धशतक उनके नाम। और रन और इसी के साथ 4 रन।
Going over the top on that occasion was Unadkat. Gets enough of bat on it. And that's the first boundary for Unadkat.
और बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं, जूसी हाफ वॉली।
Gaja straying onto the pads and conceding a boundary.
And that is a ball, that's the wicket which they wanted to break the partnership. Unadkat goes, edges one of Chintan Gaja to the keeper.
14 रन बना के वापस जाएंगे सौराष्ट्र 203 पे 8।
After the fall of Jaydev Unadkat's wicket comes in Yuvraj Singh Dodia. And that is again, this is why Gaja's become so destructive, because he keeps on bowling and lagging on that line, and then he picks up his 4th wicket of the day.
राज सिंह बिना कुछ बना के वापस जाते हुए दिखे हमें। सौराष्ट्र 203 पे 9। नए बल्लेबाज कन भी आए हैं।
Definitely Vasavada will try to get more runs on the board. Jaymeet Patel And this definitely looks, was it in the hands when his feet touched the rope? Did some part of the body connect with the ball?
यहाँ से ऐसा लग रहा है कि जब उनका जो पैर है जब रोप से टकराई तो बॉल भी उनके संपर्क में था। जी बिल्कुल, चौका दिया गया।
That was neatly swept away finally for a four. आखिर वही हुआ, चौका गया।
और ये पारी सिमटती हुई गेंदबाजी करने आए थे यहाँ बिश्नोई और एक अच्छी लेंथ पे डाला, अतिरिक्त उछाल मिला, शॉर्ट लेग प्ले में आया। कन्वी वापस जाते हुए, कन्वी एक रन बना के वापस जाते हुए बिश्नोई को भी पहली सफलता मिली। सौराष्ट्र 216 ऑल आउट।
प्रेम पंचाल 206 इनिंग्स 8,683 रन।
Other opener is Arya Desai, aged just 21, averaging 32.24. Good start this. Runs for Gujarat and for the opener Arya Desai, and it comes in the way of a boundary. Smashed away through the offside. Second boundary for the left-handed opener. Neatly stroked away into the gap, and he will get his first runs. Well, Panchal with a boundary. Fiercely cut away.
और कोई समस्या नहीं गुजरात के बल्लेबाजों के लिए। दोनों बल्लेबाज पंचाल और आर्य देसाई की बात करें, कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की और कोई विकेट नहीं गिरने दी अपनी टीम के लिए। और आज का दिन की समाप्ति, स्टंप्स की घोषणा।